Made it to the split here of the Dungeness River. Some still making its way to the wetlands. River's low. There's a salmon?
Yeah, salmon.
Oh, I see him. Yep.
Now where do they go?
They went around the logs, maybe because of Skye.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, yeah, there's some salmon.
Two.
Oh, nice.
Nice deep spot.
First time we've seen salmon here at this location. Oh, there's some minnows in there right in front of Skye. It could be salmon. See the larger ones out there swimming around? Well, when I say larger, like 2 inches maybe.
Oh. They're chasing each other.
Yep. Yeah, she's chasing the fish. Little fingerlings. No idea what kind of fish. They seem to be spooked from my shadow and movement. Well, that was a treat. You missed the excitement, Skye. The salmon came up to say hello. Go get him, Skye. Did you see that, Skye?
She's playing with that big white rock.
It's a white rock.
She probably thinks it's a shell.
This guy's just enjoying this water play. This guy's doing some fish stomping here.
It's about 4 or 5 salmon down here in the shade, enjoying the nice cool water.
There they are. Wow, some good sized ones. Coming around. There must be at least 4 to 6 in here. Maybe a lot more.
Maybe 4 of them.
Here he goes. Here comes red. What a fun experience. I think Skye would play in the water here all day. Well, that was fun. Time to make our way back before it gets too hot.
First woolly caterpillar. Did you see it, Skye? There he goes. He doesn't have much black on him, just his head.
Diane's standing in the shade of a tree. I don't blame her. Very humid today. Wouldn't be a hike without a hunt. Getting a little warm out here. Catch up with Diane. Here comes some shade. Whew. That's better. What's the matter, Skye? Something on your leg?
Skin?
Yeah, all kinds of seeds and hitchhikers. Yep. That's the consequences of hunting in the grass in the fall.
I'm just gonna have to brush you when we get home.
Yep. We're thinking of taking a shortcut through the meadow here rather than go along the tree line the way we came in, because it's getting hot. I think there's a path right about there. Never mind, we're gonna stick to the beaten track here. Raven or something screaming at us. Field of thistles that have gone to seed. No, we're not going through that. Where's Skye? Here she comes. Skye doesn't recognize something here. That stack of weeds. Hello?
It's okay, Andy's teasing.
Hello?
There's another person with a dog.
A little roadway through the, between the pastures, replanted sections by the tribe. Ah, that breeze feels wonderful.
She's friendly.
Oh, refreshing breeze up here. This guy's getting ready to pounce. Oh, there she goes. Oh my goodness, more seeds. Come on, Skye. We'll be pulling seeds out of her for the next week. Come on, girl. I gotta hunt. That's what I do. Good girl.
So she'll start kindergarten next year, or she already started? Oh, she's already.
Clouds are moving in. Fall colors happening here. That's where Town Road was closed to build this levee. And now construction is underway to repave it while keeping a walking path, which we are walking on right now. This is the walking path alongside of the new road. Still to be finished. The requirement was to add filtration system on this side of the levee so that any contaminants that come off the road will not harm the environment. Approaching the exit side of Town Road. That's the walking path that resumes after Town Road in the new wetlands. Final leg of our walk, the beginning of the walking path on the levee. We are hot and exhausted, but that was fun. Got Skye's attention. The old schoolhouse, parking area. We're gonna go down and get in the water for Skye. Skye's done this before, so she's anxious to get in the water. One last time for the day. You can smell the water is coming from the wetlands. It's kind of stinky, but this looks pretty clean here.
Stay on the side, Skye.
I think we're ready to go home and fix us some lunch, or maybe pick it up somewhere.